You got a problem with the way I stack my biscuits, do ya?
Yes. No, actually, it looks much better when all the names face the same way. I told you that.
Seems there's been a whole lot less nagging around here since you have been gone.
Geeta,
Did I say I wanted you to hug me?
oh, Momo got adopted.
If he was here, I had tell him to attack you.
But why isn't Lieutenant name is on here? He's like the most adoptable dog in this whole universe. And how do you find anything in here? I mean, I just turned my back for 1 second. You start living a moldy hamburger in a filing cabinet. And why this is filled under animals adopted out 2012? This is why you really need an assistant.
You made a commitment, Taj.
I was hoping that we wouldn't be talking about this.
You made a promise to all of us. You had be here.
But it doesn't count if it's a promise to a dog.
Tell that to Momo.
Okay. I hoped that I was going to be able to drop by more in summers between.
Drop by? Kid, I was training you to be my replacement. You were supposed to be the heir of my throne.
I really didn't mean to disappoint you.
Disappoint me? That's how much I care about that. You didn't disappoint me, or your majesty, or Momo, whose great disappointment is me not letting him eat in his own barf. You disappointed yourself. Nice catching up with you, Taj. For me to walk some dogs?
You're right.
Of course I'm right. About what specifically?
This place. It's the only place where I never had to worry about feeling.
You can feel at an animal shelter. It's possible. I had to stop accepting volunteers after you left because one weirdo kept eating the dog food.
I need you to take me back. You know me. Give me a day. I'll organize this place that nobody will ever accidentally file a hamburger again.
No.
But why?
Who's to say? You won't just drop us all again when you go back to school. Lieutenant can't take that kind of heartbreak twice. He's got a tumor in his heart.
In his what?
Don't act like you care. I'm assuming you are only here because Howard loaned you out to lecture people which way to turn their dog biscuits.
That's all over.
You graduated? Okay. You can start by researching heart surgeries for dogs.